welcome back. How do I look? Good? Another bike episode. Guys, we're so tired. Where are we? We're in Alabama. Going to Barber Motorsport. We just drove 15-ish hours. Got here really early. It's Travis.
You didn't drive.
Yeah, I drove for like 30 minutes and I was like, yeah, I gotta go back to sleep. So I crashed the truck. no, I'm just kidding. Yeah, so we're here. We're gonna probably try and catch like a few Z's for a couple hours until our Airbnb is ready. Because we're mad early. But this is it, we're here. Sweet home Alabama. Guys, back. Dude, what a track. This is amazing. Barber Motorsport Park, incredible. We did 4 sessions?
3.
Really? Three or 4?
Yep.
Incredible. Fast, technical, tight. Dude, so good. This track it's amazing. It's not so much fast in numbers.
Yep.
Like, you know, grabbing high speeds, like some of the tracks you've seen us ride on. And the facility here is so incredibly beautiful. It is so clean, it's so nice. The paddock is great. The people here are amazing. Sport Park Track Time's doing an incredible job. They're encouraging us to go faster, so we're gonna try and get up in the advanced group, which I think we'll do. Yeah, it's, you know, there's a lot of guys in intermediate and and I would say there's 35 bikes, maybe 10 of us are really the ones pushing the envelope.
Yep.
You know, we're just you don't want to have to come up on and pass 7 guys.
No.
It sucks. Bike, you guys know, I'm obsessed with this. This is a cheat code. This bike is a cheat code. It's not one bad thing I can say. Breaking in, I got Fresh, Pirelli, Diablo, Super Forces. I can't wait to go back out. So we're gonna go out with the instructor next, see if we can bump up the class. That would be cool. Cool. You know, run the speed up a little bit. Go. just filled it up. Sick as this?
This is insane.
Like, there was no. Yeah. Like,
Oh shit.
manuals. No paddle shifters these days.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Day's over. It's about 5 o'clock. We are all so tired. We skipped the last session to go check out what you guys saw, Barber Motorsports Vintage Museum, which was insane. Sensory overload.
Yep.
Wild, amazing, best. That has to be one of the best. That's the best motorsport museum I've ever been to.
I've ever seen. Yeah.
Right?
Easily.
Yeah, insane. If you guys are into vintage stuff, vintage motorcycles, you have to come here. There's so much amazing shit. So, back tomorrow again. Another day on the bikes. We got bumped up
Yes.
into advanced.
Let's go.
Alright, we're back, guys. Good morning. It's Sunday. Much more beautiful day today. I don't know how much more beautiful it could get. A little more sunny, a little warmer, right?
Gorgeous
It's
out.
gorgeous out. Me and Travis both got bumped into advanced, which is f***ing awesome. Be a little less traffic, a lot more faster pace.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go and rip it up. Let's get it. what an incredible experience. Couldn't be happier. Barber, one of my favorite tracks so far. Little recap. So yesterday, running intermediate all day, had a fantastic day. Ended up going a little quick, so they bumped us, me and Travis, both up into advanced, and that really made it. After about the 4th session, as you can see, this brand new Super Corsa sucked. We're going full slicks. I use the bike once in a while to go on the road. That's completely to an end now. Because thanks for watching another bike episode. Wrap it up, guys. Please like, subscribe, comment, tell us what you think. Tell us what you want to see. Haters, let it fly, baby.
You already know.
Give it to us. And that's it, man. Lots of Valley Motorcycles prep the bikes for us. These guys are the best. Which corner is out here to whip our asses a little bit. Next time we'll get with them soon. Met with our boys from Massachusetts, came down with us, but man, it was good. So bikes are uploaded. We're gonna chill, enjoy this last bit of sunshine before we go back to 35 degrees. So we love you guys. Thanks again. Hope you loved the video, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.